Okay, hello dear friends. So when we see this kind of problem, my intention is for you to learn about the number bound and make sure you find the number that out. This is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So 30 plus 1 plus 7 equal 30 plus 1, 38. And in my class, I often do this kind of exercise. Just let the students to know that when you add something, it's very much like in the grocery store. You can put meat, ice cream, and cereal all in one place, or you can put cold with cold, hot with hot, and dry with dry, wet with wet. You classify it. And this one is not so much about classify, it's about number bound. And for example, 1 and 9, they are the bond to make 10. 2 and 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, and 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 1. So when you see a long number adding together, try to find the bond. Now let's do another one. 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. Now we know that number bond, 9 and 1, that is a 10. 5 and 5, that is another 10. 4 and 6, that is another 10. 7 and 3, another 10. This one, I already made a lot of effort to make the number like this. But in real life, it may not be so crisp that you can add like this. But this is just a way for you to remember that number has bounds. 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2, 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3. Whenever the number pop up, you will always see if they bound together. It does not bound, and find the number that can make it. So 37, right? Try to find the number that can make it sharp. So in class, I always do this kind of game. Power of 10. We do not call it power of 10. It's just united to 10, let's say. I give a number, and students, each of them get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So find the friend that you combine together to make a 10. And then they will show up. The ticket, their ticket will be 8. And I pick up a 5, they will show 5. I will pick up a 4, they will show 6. I will pick up a 1, they will show a 9, something like it. So it's one of a very, very effective way of doing addition. Does this make any sense? Right? So you make the number more or less kind of cute. And if only 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9 plus 4, there is not really that relationship, right? So, and especially this does have relationship actually, but it needs to be jumping a little bit. 4, 6. This is another 10, right? And 2 and 4, so 26. You can do like this, but I will do step by step. First, the 2 number completely make a sharp 10. And then we will be doing some united to 11. I give you a 9, 2, you give me a 9. United make 11. I give you a 4, you give me a 7. I give you a 5, you give me a 6. Something like this. So united make it 32. I give you 20, you give me 12. I give you 19, you give me 13. I give you 25, you give me 7. Right? So do this kind of activity can help students to get the fun of it. Everybody can do it, and you do not need everyone shout it out, give everyone a ticket, and they will show it. Some are quick, of course. There are some quicker. There are some struggling, but you can make it quite subtle and not shout out, and let everyone have a chance. Does this make any sense? Anyway, you have a beautiful, beautiful evening. I love you. I really do. Do. Go, bye, bye.